Hi, my name is Ryan Halfacre, and today we're going to be hiking Second Beach in La Push, Washington. So let's get hiking.
So we're hiking down to Second Beach because our plan had initially been to try and pack raft down the Ozette River and camp at the mouth there before hiking back tomorrow. But we had a little bit of a misadventure there. Anyway, point being is we still have a really cool dinner planned that involves a campfire, so we didn't want to just go home and bail. So we're gonna come down here, do dinner, and then hike out. We've been looking for a spot to make our dinner fire, and this root wad here will offer us a little bit of protection from the wind. So we're going to do it on the back side of this here, just out far enough that it's not dangerous. We got a little fire constructed here. Time to see if we can get it going. So I got a little spot right down there where I can put my bag on the coals. And over here I've got steak, peppers, and onions wrapped in foil. I'm just gonna pull that pack out and set it straight on the fire. I prepped all that last night, and then I froze it so that over the day it would be thawing out in my pack, but still be good for today. I just cut into the top and pulled a piece out. Looks like we still need a few more minutes though. So basically we got fajitas in there with our Taco Bell hot sauce and tortillas. Of course, we need a little bit of our Taco Bell hot sauce. Oh, that's too much. It's gonna be spicy. And then we just roll it up. Call it good. Well, this is the first time I've ever done anything like this, and I think I'm gonna have to try this more in the future. This came out really good. We're really liking it. Dinner's over, it's time to go, so Ryan's gonna go ahead and break this fire up and put it out. And then we're just gonna stir sand into it because we didn't bring a bucket. Okay, just a little bit of smoke left, so we're gonna hang out here for a second, and once that stops smoking, we'll take off.
It's beautiful here and we had a great time, and that's it for Second Beach. So until next time, happy hiking.